Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Today we're working on this Vaillant and we're getting F28 code and sometimes F29. Anyway, it's an intermittent fault and we gotta sort it out.
Is that the heating now? No, I'm just running hot water.
What about the heating? Does that work? We'll find out in a bit now. Well, it's hot water ain't working. I don't think the heating's gonna be working.
Central heating though.
Now after thorough testing, I put a multimeter on the inlet pressure and the inlet pressure was fluctuating up and down. So this is what was the problem with the boiler. This is the state of the gas. So. Oh my god, it's still coming out. Top it out, yeah. Thank you, Bashun.
Someone's happy.
You sure you don't want to come in the film? What's your name? Okay, brilliant. Recording.
Yeah, it's good.
Listen, I just want to give out one big up to Mikhail. Really nice kid. Okay, Mikhail. No, don't put him in. Don't put him in.
Go on, say hello.
No, don't.
No? Okay, but what
I'm going to do that, don't promise you, okay? We're getting F29 and it's all because of carry on. Well, if you want to come in, why not?
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't you working the flat screw there?
Yeah, it's done. You just need to tighten it.
Alright. So what it was, right, the gas, there's so much debris in the gas pipe on this and it's blocking the gas valve off, so we had to just open it up and clean it all out. So if you can see all this debris that come out of the gas pipe, we're going to clean that up in a bit. We're going to test it out first. So look at that debris, that's all come from the gas pipe. So let's fire it up and
This left, mate.
oh, yeah. Wow. So that's the other debris that come out of the gas valve now.
That's his signature.
Yes, see, I saw it in the videos.
Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Now today I had an intermittent fault. I hate them. You know, they work fine, and then suddenly just lock out and give you a code. Now I was working at Vaillant today and I was getting a code of F29, which is failure of detecting a flame. Now I had to dig deep. I had to check so many things: flame, sensing probe, the circuit board, loads, you know, even clean the combustion chamber, the burner, check the seals on the flue. But anyway, to cut the story short, and at the end of the conclusion was the gas valve had so many debris on the inlet pipe. It's full of so much debris. So we had to, I opened it up and cleaned that out, and thankfully that was it, nothing else wrong with it. So we sorted that out and it's working fine. I'll share the video with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.